It's making me cry. There's so much onion. Hello everyone, and welcome to my Lunar New Year episode. In this episode, I help my mom cook traditional Korean dishes to celebrate the new year. 뭐 만들어 엄마? 부침개하지. 부침개. 깻잎? 헉, 깻잎 안에 뭐 있어? 어머. 어머. 맛있겠다. What else are we gonna make? 잡채. 잡채. 엄마 잡채 레시피 유니크해? 어? 유니크? 그게 뭐야? 독특해? You don't have a unique recipe?
옛날에는 한시험은 잡채가 제일 많어.
그래요?
팔려.
잡채요?
잡채가 얼마나 맛있어.
할머니 잡채가 다른 사람 잡채하고 다른 게 있어요. 뭐가 비밀이에요?
비밀
없어. 그냥 맛있어.
그냥 맛있지. 비밀 없어 난. 아무 비밀 없어.
시즈닝. 어떻게 할 거야? 이렇게 해서 이거를 묻혀서 계란 이거 묻히고 계란 묻히고 여기다가 살짝 구워서 그 다음에 다 익을 때까지 안 하고 구운 다음에 in the powder, in the egg, back in the powder. Oh no. No. What kind of fish is this? White fish. I mean, there's a lot of white fishes in the world. Hey, was this ever frozen or dried? Frozen. Oh. Can you eat this with sashimi? Oh, it's pretty with the gochu. This is fish. I'm gonna make cookies later, and we're gonna do japchae. 이거는 고추 없다. Put the flour in and you dredge it. This is our version of fried chicken fish. Not chicken. This is our fish and chips. Less batter, more egg. Keep it eggy, y'all. Yeah, babies. 동그랑땡. Thank you. Thank you, Arte. 동그랑땡. Thank you. 동그랑땡 time. 동그랑땡 time. 동그랑땡 time. 동그랑 dance dance. 동그랑 dance. 동그랑 dance. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Hey. What is a 동그랑땡? What does that even mean?
Dot.
It's a dot?
Round dot.
We're gonna put this in the oven. Yeah. Woo! Perfect. It's a meat cake. You mean a meat patty? So we just spent a lot of time making a ton of food, and then my mom tells me we're only halfway with just the fried things. And then we have to make what? I don't even want it. I don't want to eat it. I don't think so. For the octopus fried, we're not dredging it in egg. We're just dredging it in flour, Amma. Frying flour and what else? That's it. Okay. For this, we're adding cold water. Ice the water. Oh, squid. Woo! Woo! Yum! 금방. 왜 뜨거워? 맛있다. 맛있어. 엄청 맛있어. 엄마 나 할머니 진짜 좋아했다. 어디가 좋아해?
맛있어.
아빠 좋아하는.
다 좋아해.
We did this. Now it's vegetable fry time.
No.
It's too big.
Oh yeah.
It's like French fries. 식혜. 와, 식혜도 만들었어. 엄마 잘한다. 그래?
What if I go like this?
던지면 어떡해? Try it.
After all that frying, my mom finally left the kitchen and I was able to make my cookies for everyone. I did a little dance, had a little fun by myself, and I started the cookies. If you want to know the recipe will be up in a YouTube video, so watch out for that.
Oh, it's so full. Okay. What are you doing now?
Whoa!
Yummy. Can I have some?
I want a mushroom.
물 더 넣어야 될 거야. 설탕, 소금,
그죠?
설탕,
그죠?
소금, 간장. 떨어지면 안 돼.
둘 다. 소금, 간장하고 설탕. 단맛은 나. 아니 근데 많이 싱거워.
So what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing?
I'm digging for treasure. My precious!
It's making me cry. It's so much onion. I look really sad. You do the onion? Onion makes me cry. What is that?
This is healthy. It's like a squid seaweed vinegary salad.
I love lemon juice. Thank you.
수고했어.
Thank you.
너무 잘했어. 하루 종일.
할머니,
어,
여기서 뭐가 제일 맛있을 것 같아요?
다 맛있게 생겼다.
그래요?
요즘에 여기 밥 먹어 나갈 때
Oh, I'm so tired. I ate so much food. New Year's resolution.
The next morning, my whole family gathered and we did a traditional New Year's breakfast. Dumpling, rice cake, steaming hot soup.
맛있어. I like this. Number one, okay? Too much eat.
아이고.
어머니, 가자.